Tap workout, exercise H. If you don't know how to do any of these steps, remember, look at the links in the description below which will show you how to do them. Right foot flap, left foot pick up and a toe. Repeat, flap, pick up, toe. We're going to do this 8 times. Flap, pick up, toe. Flap, pick up, toe. Flap, pick up, toe. Flap, pick up, toe. So we're going to make that 8 times. And then ball change, tap spring, ball change. 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 Again, you can decide if you want to repeat these things 4 times or 8 times. Then we're going to make 8 springs, 8 tap springs, 8 springs, 8 tap springs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to do tap spring toe hop 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to do 3 ball changes and a tap spring. Repeat 4 times. 1, 2, 3, tap spring. 2, 3, 4. And from there we're going to begin at the beginning again. Flap with the right, pick up the left, toe. Flap with the left, pick up right, toe. Well, you can repeat that 8 times or less if you like. Flap, pick up, toe. Flap, pick up, toe. Flap, pick up, toe. Flap, pick up, toe. I'm going to do it 8 times, but it's up to you. Whatever music you use or the music I use is in the description below. Ball change, tap spring, ball change. 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 8 springs, 8 tap springs, 8 springs, 8 tap springs. Tap spring toe hops. 3 ball changes, tap spring 4 times. Ball change, ball change, ball change, tap spring. Replay this part of the video as many times as you like until you've got the warm-up, and then try with the music. case I didn't include it, in that amalgamation, 8 tap spring toe hops. Okay, might need to add that in there. Next one. Warm-up exercise I. Shuffle forward, shuffle side. Ball change behind, spring out, heel dig. Let's do that again. Shuffle forward, side, ball change, spring out. With that foot, pick up, ball change. Shuffle side, ball change. Let's do it from the beginning. Shuffle forward, side, ball change, spring out, pick up, ball change, shuffle, ball change. 3 shuffle hop steps, then a toe. And that's as simple as that one is. Shuffle forward, shuffle side, ball change behind, spring out and a heel dig. From there, pick up, ball change, shuffle to the side, ball change, shuffle, hop step, shuffle, hop step, shuffle, hop step, toe. Shuffle, hop 1, shuffle, hop 2, shuffle, hop 3, toe. And repeat. Play this as many times as you want until you've got it. But let's go through it one more time. Shuffle forward, shuffle side, ball change behind, spring out, heel dig. Pick up, ball change, shuffle to the side, ball change, 3 shuffle hop steps and a toe. Again, play this as many times as you like until you've got it. Let's do it one more time though. Shuffle, forward, side, ball change, spring out. Pick up, ball change, shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, toe. Let's try with the music.